Alright, I've expanded our person class with two private members, a private string secret on line 5 and a private methods on line 11, private void tell secret. The main thing I'd like to show you is that I cannot use this from outside this class. So let's move over to my main.java and let's try to see whether a person Maria we can access the secret. And as you can see, we can't. If we hover over it, it tells us why. It says secret has private access in the access modifiers.person class. And it comes up with a solution, and that's pretty much changing the access modifier. That's not what we want. And the same goes for the tell secret. We cannot call it because it has only accessibility inside the class person. So we cannot say tell secret. And again, it will tell us that it has private access. So all right, let's get rid of this. Let me tell you from where we can access it. Well, only from within this class, starting with the curly bracket on line 3, ending with the curly bracket on line 14. So on line 12, you see that we use the private field. We use it in the private methods. We could call the private method from within the say hi. And right now, we would be able to tell the secret from outside, but only via the say hi method. So let's move back to our main and let me show you that you can actually use it right now, but there is going to be a little problem. I'm going to run this code and say hi is going to call the tell secret method, but there is no way we can set the secret from outside. So the secret is null. It has not been set, and this is why it prints the value null. We can only access it from inside the class, not from outside the class. So let me get rid of this one. And here you can see it once more. So private means only accessible from within the class, and public means accessible from anywhere. There's two more access modifiers we need to talk about. And the first one we're going to be discussing is the default modifier.